Draw.io is a great open source diagramming software. Let me show you how we can insert new tables and also how we can insert a new rows into existing tables. As you may know already, there's a proper table tool over here in the bar at the top of the interface. From here, we can select how big the table should be. It's very similar experience to adding tables in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. So just select how big your table should be. And here's the table. We got cells, we got also rows and columns. If you try to use the table tool again while your table is selected, so that's important, you need to select existing table, then head to table tool again, you will see new options here. We can insert a column on the left, on the right. We can delete a column, insert a row above, below, or we can delete a row. So let's try. I will move to this cell and I will delete a row. So the bottom row is gone. Now I'm going to insert a row below. And I got a new row. I can do it again. Here it is. Let's try to delete a column. It's gone. Now I'm going to add a new column on the right. Here it is. It's also a very handy trick. If you are on the row and you feel like you need another row, you can press Command Enter or Control Enter on Windows. So Command Enter, and I got a new row. New row, new row. Very handy trick. It's not only for tables, for any kind of container in your Draw.io. If you kind of run out of space, you need one more row, one more line, just press Command Enter or Control Enter on Windows, and you will get a new one. Keep in mind, you can change the style of your cells using the Style menu on the right, when you can change the style of the line. So there's a color of the line here, how thick the line is, the style of the line itself, but you can also fill those cells with some color. Just like that, or simply use the Quick Style menu at the top. This way you can quickly highlight the header row in your table. If you want to modify the text inside the table, don't forget to switch from Style to Text menu. This way you can change the font size and font color. So that's how you can use the table tool in diagrams.net. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Let's watch the next one.